set, go! Ready,
Go!
set, go! You're getting tired. You're outside. Alright. Ready, set, go! Oh, you're tired. Yeah.
Go!
Ready, set, go! Oh, really? Where's Mama?
Mama.
Oh.
Go!
Ready, set, go!
He's really flexible.
Go! Go! Go!
Ready, set, go! Can I have a five? 2 5s. Yay! Okay. Ready, set, go! Oh, you're so. Are you tired?
Go!
Are you tired?
Go!
Okay. Ready, set, go! Yay! High five. Yay! Down low. Can I have a hug?
Go. Go.
Ready, set, go! Yay!
Go!
So big.
Go! Go!
Ready, set, go! Yay! High five. Yay! Oh, really? Are you getting tired? Are you gonna go again?
Go!
Ready, set, go!
He's exhausted.
Liam, are you tired?
Okay.
Is it time to rest?
Go! Go!
Oh, okay. Ready,
Go!
set, go! Like a little. Is it time to rest? Do you have poopy butts?
Oh, Dad.
No.
Go! Go!
Ready,
Go!
set, go! Yay!
Somebody's running out of steam.
How's his legs doing? Are they burning? Are they burning? Yeah. Do you need a little massage? No, you're just gonna go. Has the brain ceased to function? Liam, is it time to rest?
Go! Go!
Is it time to rest?
Go! Go!
Ready, set, go! Oh, he's Does Mom have a camera? Does Mom have a camera? Okay. Can you say hi to Mama? Can you wave to Mama?
Go! Go!
Go.
All right. Go.
Go!
Stop.
Go! Go! Go!
Ready, set, go!
Go!
Ready, set, go.
Go! Go!
What? You snorted.
Go! Go!
Can you say hi?
Set,
Go!
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 Where's the light?
Yeah!
Mama?
Mama.
Where's Daddy?
Tata.
Where's Liam?
Ate.
Where's Ashton?
Ate.
Ready, set, go! We'll work the brain and the body. Oh, now you're just hamming it up.
Okay.
Where's Mama?
Go. Go.
Where's your juice?
Go. Go.
Ready, set, go! Oh my God.
Go you okay.
Liam, where's your Baba?
Go. Go.
Ready, set, go! Are you showing off? Are you hot dogging it?
Go.
Are you tired?
Go.
Is it time to rest?
Go. Go.
Do you want to go? Alright, ready, set, go!
Go again.
Did you fall?
Oh, okay.
Did you fall?
Oh, go.
Yeah.
Go.
Where's your toes?
Go.
Where's your toes?
Do.
Yeah. Where's your nose? That's right.
Do.
Where's your eyes?
I.
That's right.
I.
Where's your lips?
It's called a mouth, Dad.
Where's your mouth? Where's your ears? Close.
Go.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Did he just burp?
He's-
Okay.
You're okay?
Where's your knees?
E.
No.
Okay, like that.
Where's the ceiling?